In Nigeria, a business jet allegedly failed to take off because it has been overloaded with bags containing cash. It is unclear in which airport that event occurred or to whom the money belonged. But in the images shared this week by Nigerian journalist Dali Mamadou in his Instagram account, it can be seen that the plane's tail was resting on the runway due to excess of weight. This must be a Nollywood movie. An airplane collapsed after being overloaded with a lot of money in the sacks. Mamadou wrote, the aircraft returned to the usual position after those present took out several bags.